Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. Talking about a certain matter of concern for the entire nation, the heat wave. Days across the country rose by 125% in May, ladies and gentlemen. It is a record jump compared to the normal conditions. Estimates are that death toll could be around 200, but officially Centre says that 55 deaths have already occurred due to the heat wave so far. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has chaired a key meeting to review the situation and the preparedness of the onset of the monsoon as well. He was in fact briefed that as per the Indian Meteorological Department forecast, the heat wave is likely to continue in parts of Rajasthan, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. This year, the monsoon is likely to be normal and above normal in most parts of the country and below normal in parts of Peninsular India as well. Prime Minister Modi instructed that proper drills for preventing and handling incidents of the fire must be done on a regular basis. We have CNN News 18's Shireen Elizabeth joining us back on the broadcast over this story. Shireen, tell us all the methods that have been put in place in order to prevent all those deaths that can occur as per the predictions because of the intense heat wave. Also, preparedness for the upcoming monsoon in our country as well.
Well, as far as the preparedness is concerned, the Health Ministry has issued an advisory to all the state when it comes to the heat stroke and the heat wave, and accordingly they have asked all the states to follow those advisory. But I want to point out here is that NCDC has in fact, the Non-Communicable Diseases Center has in fact released a data where they have said that ever since March 2024, there has been 56 deaths due to heat stroke, and out of which in May alone, 46 deaths have been reported due to heat stroke. Now, the problem here is that the Health Ministry themselves believe that this is in fact a very underrated number that is being reported because as far as Health Ministry is concerned, all these data comes from each of the states, and they have been saying that a number of states have not really reported the deaths due to heat stroke. The Health Ministry has in fact categorized them into the people who have died due to cardiovascular disease and due to heat stroke, because sometimes a patient, when they reach the hospital, it could be due to heat stroke, but what is really the actual reason? Is it because of the comorbidity or other diseases that they are suffering from? All those has been categorized, and they have come to the conclusion that as of now, the data that has been provided to them by the states, around 56 people have died due to heat stroke, and the number is around 46 alone in May have died due to heat stroke. But Health Ministry has been asking all the states to report the number, actual number as far as the heat stroke is concerned. So they are in fact waiting for those actual data to be given to the Health Ministry. They have been saying that there are more number of people who have died in Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Odisha due to heat wave.
Right, Shireen. Thank you so much for putting all that into perspective for our viewers. It's a matter of concern for the entire nation, the intense heat wave at the moment. Well, that's a wrap from our side. Thanks for watching so far.